Hello, everyone. My name is Rick Sapio. I am co-founder of the 100-Year Real Estate Investor. And my co-founders, I want to thank you very much, Teresa Kuhn, Jake and Gino, two Italian buddies of mine. All right, in this episode, I'm going to talk about Keyman policies. And maybe in this politically correct day and age, we should be calling them key person policies. So listen in. All right, what is a key man or key woman insurance policy? Think about it this way. If two partners own a business and one partner happens to die suddenly, and unfortunately in my world, I've seen a lot of this happen lately. Now what happens is one partner died and the other partner has that partner's spouse as a new business partner. So what most businesses put in place is a policy in the event that one of the partners dies, the insurance policy kicks in. And let's just say, for example, your business is worth $15 million. If you had a key person insurance policy in which $15 million came into the business upon the death of one of the partners, that money is then used to buy out the interest of the surviving spouse. And that spouse now has that capital to go on with his or her life. And the remaining partner owns 100% of the business. Now, why would you want that? Because I have seen so many incredibly sad stories where one spouse dies or one partner dies, and the other partner is now partners with the surviving spouse, and it's complete and total chaos because the spouse doesn't know how to run the business. There's constant fighting, they need money, etc. And the business is often compromised when one of the partners dies. So a key person policy, known as a key man policy, solves all that. And here's the best part. It's an asset of the business. When you use the policies that we design, money that goes into the policy, once it gets to break even in whatever that period of time is, 3 or 4 years, every dollar you put in sits there growing over time, earning dividends, and it's an asset of the business. I personally have 11 policies. I was and have been a long-term shareholder of Berkshire Hathaway. And Warren Buffett at the shareholder meetings would talk about this all the time, how they would get policies on executives in the event of an unexpected death. If the executive doesn't die, the corporation still owns the policy. They still own the cash value of the policy. They still own the growth of the policy. And when somebody dies, and all of us eventually do die, the policy returns are astronomical. Just ask your 100-year real estate investor representative about how that works, because whole life insurance, dividend paying whole life insurance from mutually owned companies really do pay an extremely high interest rate relative to other investments or other places to put your capital that have the same risk. Thank you for listening.